sigurado ba siya? Meron ba siyang contact sa taas o sa korte?
Para minamadali daw po yung pag-amend ng rules, sir, para dahil daw po may mga senador na makukulong dahil dito sa flood control.
Sigurado ba siya? Meron ba siyang contact sa taas o sa korte? I think that that comment was uncalled for. I don't know why he mentioned that. Hindi ko alam kung bakit how he came up to that conclusion.
Pero offensive ba para sa
Of
inyo?
course, very offensive.
At uminay mo nabanggit yung nabanggit na atake kanina si...
Ano?
At uminay mo nabanggit ng Senator Tulfo kanina may nangyari atake ng karakter. Ano bang ganun ba?
Wala naman. Wala naman nangyari.
And how do you feel about Senator Erwin's remarks kanina na
As I've mentioned earlier, that statement of his was uncalled for. I don't know if he has contact with the courts at sigurado na kaming makukulong. I don't know.
any actions, ethics?
Sir, are you favor with
Kaya
Mark
patulan niya.
Valenta's motion?
Yes, of course.
Why, sir?
Why there needs to hurry po with the motion, sir?
Sir, bakit kailangan talakayin na today yung motion?
Ano?
Bakit kailangan ng talakayin today yung motion?
Why not?